What line of business are you in, Mr. Pudikin?
I made my money in the removals business.
Ah. A friend of mine had shares in the removals business. Titus Fisher. You haven't come across him at all?
I warn you, Mr. Adams, not to stray into the rough. You get in there, you might never come out.
I'll bear that in mind, Mr. Pudikin.
Pudovkin, please.
Shot! As was my friend Fisher, actually. In the back. By his cleaner, of all people. But they didn't take much. Just a key.
Break left to right, I think.
Thank you.
Пристрели. In a trees.
Come on.
Oh my God. He can't die. He mustn't die.
Let's get him out of here. Come on. Come on.
He's not looking good, sir. We're getting you to a doctor. You'll be fine. You do not have to fly these, sir.
It was part of basic training.
Good.
It's just like riding a bike. Yes, it's all coming back to me.
This is Helicopter Golf Hotel Zulu Zulu Tango. We have a casualty on board. Request guidance to nearest hospital. Our location? Location?
She shot out the navigation system. Hang on. Runstock.
Our location is Runstock. What's our altitude? About 18 inches. Hello? Hello?
Sorry. I'll just move.
What now, sir?
We'll have to stick to the road. Let's follow the 1328. There's bound to be a hospital in Dingham. Look after him, Tucker. Look after him.
I think we're losing him, sir.
We can't lose him, Tucker. He's our only lead. Try something else.
Don't give up on us, baby. Lord knows we've come this far.
Look at we are the angel and the dreamer. Da 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 da.
Don't give up on us, I know we can still come through.
Don't give up on us, baby. Don't give up on us, baby. We can still come through.
Look, sir, follow the ambulance.
Good idea.
Don't give up on us, baby.
Sir, quickly.
Karlenko. Karlenko! The second key of Vortex is KGB. Yes. CIA. Yes. Yes. MI7. Unbelievable. A vole in MI7.
A mole, sir.
What?
There's a mole in MI7.
There's a mole and a vole.
No, sir, there's a mole, not a vole.
Well, I disagree. There's certainly a vole. I mean, we know that much. But what you're saying is there might be a mole as well.
Pegasus. There's a meeting at MI7 with the Prime Minister.